So let me show you how to format the internal storage of your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So what you need to do is swipe down from the top of the screen to go to the main menu, and then swipe across to go to the storage section, and then tap on storage. Now, depending on whether you have an SD card inside or not, you will see the option to format internal storage. And if you have an SD card, you will see format SD card. So since we want to format internal storage, tap on format internal storage. And then to complete the process, you need to swipe all the way to the end and release, and that's going to format your internal storage. That basically means it's going to delete all your recordings and photos from the memory of this camera. Now, obviously, I don't want to do it, but if you want to do it, just slide this thing all the way to the end and it's going to format. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.